Hi guys, and welcome to Visual Basic tutorial of a stock control system. Alright, let me show you guys how this works. Right here we have all the information of Kim Carey. That's the customer, and here the order, the date telling us if the order is still valid or not, and right here we have the details of Kim Carey. We should be able to see all Kim Carey's details right here. And right here, let's move this. There we go. That is the details of Kim Carey. Okay, let me go back in there. And we also have the details, all of this information. We should be able to see it right on the database itself, Access database. I'm going to make this database available for you guys, but for now I'm going to close, just minimize that. And that's how it works. So we can reset and add new stock details there. So in here we have 120 stock level, and let's say we're going for about 22, and the remainder is telling us that. Enter order ID, customer details, and here the name. So let's say the name is South, and Way. That's the name. And the Southern Way lives in 1 Milky Way. There we go. So right here, that's where is he entitled to a discount. Let's say about 5%. Account debit, and right here paying by Visa card. So on sales, no. So all we then need to do is just to hit on total. There we go. And as you can see, record is saved. This is just an overview, guys. The full tutorial will be made available shortly. Bye for now.